Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am terrible because I've been MIA. I have not showed you guys a video of my hair color. This is the magic that is on my head. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for supporting my channel. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe. And can we just please take a moment of silence, because I don't even do Bantu knot outs. Like, I literally dislike Bantu knot outs, mainly because of the shrinkage, but this shrinkage I could deal with because of the, and I know it's because I did this on stretched hair, because any other time that I do this on freshly washed hair, absolutely not, absolutely not. But this, I could deal with this. I could definitely deal with this. So if you want to see how I achieved this greatness, continue to watch this video. Thank you. I am twisting my hair after applying the product, and I'm making sure that my product is all over my hair and distributing the product as well with the brush. So I'm twisting my hair at the root, making sure that it is perfectly in basically a coil, and then once I get to the end, I start doing the Bantu knot, and I twist in the same direction that I started twisting at the scalp. I am starting to retwist my hair for the next section, and as you see, the direction that I am twisting my hair is the direction that I'm going to start the actual Bantu knot and then unravel it the opposite way. All done. So I applied my stimulating herbal oil, and I'm very hyped because this is like the first time I really tried Bantu knots in years, because they never come out properly. But I was really feeling just how they looked right after, and I'm like, okay, I could do this again. So I'm separating and making sure that I'm not adding any extra frizz to my hair.